Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to MEIZU mBlu 21. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Let's start by clicking on I agree and I acknowledge on an Android. So click on those two options at the top and select confirm at the bottom. Then hit continue, allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Then click on whatever you want to in all the other ones. Now on MEIZU, do exactly the same. So I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Then whatever you want to in all the other ones. When you're ready, select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of MEIZU. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple, just for example. In some of those categories, like contacts and files, you need to choose allow a few more times and then access them. When you finished, hit send next to selected at the bottom. If you decided to send any apps, confirm your choice by hitting OK in this pop-up. Now tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip 1 and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And tap on Receive. Now you need to close all apps and as you can see, after that my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!